Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Learning is Fun with Surya, and now I want to share my India to US vlog. Look at me, I'm in the airplane and looking at the maps. We boarded the flight at Visakhapatnam airport. Guys, look at how cool the city lights are. This is the top view of Visakhapatnam city lights from the airplane. Whoa! Some of these are so bright. Look at there. It looks like a small and it looks like the Golden White House. Guys, these are the Delhi city lights. So that means we're heading to Delhi. Our airplane's gonna land. Ooh! What? Those lights actually look like a train track. Whoa, there are different colored lightings that I've never seen, like red and blue and purple and pink. Guys, we're on the runway. Guys, we just landed now. I can see the airport. Look at it. We're stopping. Guys, this is called a moving escalator, a travelator, or an auto walk. And it's easy to travel because it's just like we're walking on a road. This is the 3D Mind model window, and this is the switches to make it darker and clearer. So this helps it get clearer and this helps it get darker. So you can't close the window right, so we have this to switch. I'm pressing it. It's getting dark. There, it's getting even dark. And let me make it light. It's getting lighter, guys. Lighter, lighter, lighter. Okay, now these are the games. This is the big map. So first, let's go to home. Oh, see how much we have. In movies, we can see some movies. And the music and games don't have content. Subscribers are, they don't have content. But for young ones, they have movies for young guys like me. But actually, I don't see them. And the video features are just like that. And the info about Air India is this. And discover more. Okay. Sometimes they can be a passenger announcement, but sometimes they stop the games in the screen and tell us passenger announcement. There will be a video or just a microphone voice. And when it's done, it'll be done. And we can get back to the game. Anyway, let's go in the map. There. If you go to help, this is the help button. If you press the help button, when you press on the button, it'll tell you what will happen. Okay? And some things. So, we're gonna go in the map. And there are also shortcuts to the map. This is a shortcut. See? That is the shortcut. And you can also get the control out by pressing the button. Guys, look at the view. Isn't it looking like a heaven? All those whitish clouds. Wow, look at the airplane's wing. It's bigger than I thought. Wow. Oh, it's on the runway. It's on the runway. Yay! The airplane's gonna launch. The airplane just got landed. Yay! We reached America. can see the parts of America that are in there. Guys, after that, we came down from the airplane and got onto the connecting bus, and then we did the immigration check, and then we collected our baggage, and then we got home. These are some random pictures that I want to share with you. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button. Bye bye guys. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more. Bye bye.